This legal phrase means simply that the burden of proof is on the prosecutor. That's all that it means. You are not required to presume a person innocent until the very day that judgment is promulgated against him. It is a judgment of conviction. What are they saying? That you will suspend our rights to make up our own minds? Na ganyan ang mga ebidensyang pinapalabas? Ganito yon. There is a basic distinction in criminal law between a presumption of law on the one hand and a presumption of fact on the other hand. A presumption of law can be rebutted by the facts. So the presumption of innocence is now being rebutted almost every single day by all forms of media, including social media. At meron silang mga hawak, may litrato sila, may mga quotation sila from eyewitnesses, and all other forms of evidence under the rules. And a presumption of fact is different from presumption of law. A presumption of law can be rebutted by the facts. Presumption lang yan eh. Hindi naman ibig sabihin, may batas na hindi tayo pwedeng maniwala na masama laban sa kanya, maski lahat ng ebidensya ay pinalabas na. A presumption of fact can be rebutted by another, stronger fact. So, kung mukhang may sala itong tao, may buong karapatan siya na magbigay din ng kanyang sariling ebidensya, anuman ang forma ng ebidensya niya. Video, radio tape, camera, still or video, documents, particularly those official in nature, testimonies by eyewitnesses. Lahat ng yan. Pag may ebidensyang pinalabas, ganito yan. Pag official ka, may presumption ka of innocence. Pag may ebidensya na pinalabas, the presumption of evidence, the presumption of innocence is now overcome by the evidence. Kaya, ikaw magbigay ka naman ng ebidensya mo para ngayon pantay sa harap ng publiko. Eh, kung sagot mo, ayaw kong sagutin yan. What conclusion do you expect the public to make? Gusto mong public official, then you subject yourself to all the trials and tribulations of being a public officer. Because a public official should not be thin-skinned. With the facts as reported by the media, even accounting for inaccuracies that are not based on malice but on the nature of the news cycle. Maaaring magkamali ang media, pero karamihan hindi yan magkamali dahil sa mali siya, kung hindi nagmamadali lang sila palagi.